So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel information and educational video. Here I will tell you how you will able to avoid the negative marking, how you can score 30 marks or even 35 marks more in the examination, whatever you are expecting now. So basically this is the video where I will be talking about how to attempt the JEE examination, that is what is the best way to attempt, as I have done in my time and many students has been guided by me with the same process. They were able to avoid the negative marking, and that is a positive. If you will do less negative marking, that is also a positive thing, and also you will able to score a little bit more marks. So please try to listen my word very carefully, and if you want to get the same information in Hindi language, please try to subscribe my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy. So let me talk about the process now. So first of all, once you go inside the examination hall, don't think about the thing that you don't know, or you have the confusion. As I've already told in my previous video, in the last stage of the examination, don't focus on new thing or try to remove those things where you are having the confusion. Suppose in probability you know half part or you don't know half part, so you need to delete whole chapter. Otherwise what happens is you will say, why I will delete, I will take the half part. If there will be question, I will solve. Suppose if there will be no question, and that is the dilemma in which you will be thinking until the examination is over, and by that thinking and confusion you will be forgetting the other part that you have already studied. Suppose you have a studied matrices, determinant. I am taking the example of mathematics. Similar thing can happen with physics and chemistry as well. So what happens is matrices and determinant also will have some problem during the examination if you will be in confusion with probability. So that's why I provided the information in a previous video, that is you need to delete. Suppose that process is very important for those students whose examination is in later day, that is 30 or 31st or 1st of February. But now as I am telling about the process that you need to follow during the examination. So first of all, because you will enter the examination at least 30 minutes before, 20 minutes before, or even 1 hour before. So what you will do in that time, because that time you don't need to solve the question, so try to think about the positive thing that you already know that you have the confidence, and there will be question from that chapter. I will be able to solve that questions. So that will give you the motivation, and that will skip the negativity from your side. So please try to focus on that. Once the examination will start, please try to listen my word very carefully. First start with the subject that is your favorite subject. Many students do the mistake, first I will do the hard subject so that I will have more time, later I will be able to solve the easy subject. No, please try to cash in all the thing that you know first, because in the examination you can't say that I will take the positive mark later, first let me guess something. So guessing works, and negative marks should be done at the last. Also you need to avoid the negative mark, but you will do 1 or 2 negative mark, that is 100% sure. There can't be a perfect student in the JEE examination, at least unless he is getting 100 percentile. So the thing is, first you need to start with one subject. Suppose your favorite subject is chemistry or math or physics. So once you start with that, first try to iterate over the question. Suppose first question you think I don't know, so go for next, second question, third question, and fifth also. If there is that is not from your syllabus, whatever you are studying, it's okay, go for sixth one, seventh one. Suppose if there is 10 question that you don't know, it doesn't mean that 11 you will necessarily tick or forcefully you will tick, because you have to complete any some of the question. Don't think like that. There is 30 question, out of which 25 you need to attempt, and if you will attempt 10 to 15 question, that is correctly, that is a very good score, particularly in the first attempt. So please try to listen my word very carefully. First iterate over the question, means one after next, just check the question whatever you know, and write the name of that question whatever you know, and if you don't know then just skip. First try to focus on the question that you know very well, that you think I will not do a negative here. Suppose after iterating 30 question, you have selected 10 question that you know very well. So please try to solve that 10 question first, then go for next subject, do the same, then go for next subject, do the same. Suppose by completing 3 you have solved 25 question or 30 question or 35 question, whatever it can be depending on your syllabus covered. After that, if you will have some time, just try to go over those unsolved question and try to think if there is some possibility, you know, try to do. Otherwise, if you think that 35 question is providing me the goal whatever I was looking for before the examination, then don't need to go for the other question, even if you have to sit 30 minutes for just doing nothing. And this is the best process for all type of categories. Suppose your dream is getting fulfilled by 20 question itself, you are from SC, ST or PWD, OD, then it's okay. After doing 20 question, don't go for any other, because that will give you the negative mark, and one negative question means 5 marks will be less. That is 4 you are thinking correct and 1 is negative. So that is a huge dent. Once you get the result, you will understand my word whatever I am telling you, because that time you will be like, why I have choose the option, instead of that I should have just skip that question. So please try to do this, and please, once you not able to find the dream, that is you went to the examination hall by thinking that I will solve 20 question, and you were able to solve only 10 question or 5 question, then obviously you will do some type of guessing works. It is completely known, because even after forcing you will not skip, because you have to do. So please try to do that, but at the last, in the starting you can't do guessing works, because that will make you negative in the examination, and you will not have the confidence that I will clear the examination with good result. So this was the complete process that you need to follow. That is best approach to solve the question. By this, many students have got 99 percentile, 98, 99.5 percentile. So please try to focus on this. You will able to get the best result. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel. You will be getting each day exam analysis, that is paper analysis, subject wise, marks versus percentile data, minimum marks to get the JEE advanced eligibility. Everything you will be getting category wise in the same channel. So please try to subscribe the channel, so you will be getting all the update and info at the right time in the same channel. Thank you.